The nature of what Nikola stock has brought is what looks like a broad market appeal. You can see today, the 15th of June 2023, it traded the most volume more than Tesla, 305.4 million shares. Tesla didn't trade up to that, so it's coming a day after we saw that the Fed has paused interest rate hikes, and we pointed out that this is likely to be very good for Nikola. We're seeing a lot of things going on as well. Remember as well that Nikola has this short interest of 21.5%, and in the off exchange it is around 60.17%. So there is even a speculation that there is a with this appeal it has right now, there is a speculation that a short squeeze may have been occurring. And given all of those things, we also seen as well, amongst other things, that the option traders are pricing, and now, you wouldn't blame them, they are now pricing a move towards $1.5. So if you combine all of these things, the broad market appeal, what looks like things are changing. The bearish sentiment towards the stock for now is no longer, it's not really holding water that much. It's not you can't make that argument that much right now as things stand right now, given what has happened yesterday, given the short interest it has, and then also the fact that it's also in media. I think I believe today as well, he had a presentation at Evercore ISI event or something like that. So given all of these things, Nikola is looking like a stock that has this is a bellwether stock. It's looking like that right now. This is not to say that is what it is, but yesterday and today, yesterday the 14th and today the 15th, it's taking the shine out of every other stock, especially today. Tesla didn't even come any close, up 29.63%, rallying within a longer term bearish trend. Short interest, at 21%. Short sellers are scrambling and running to the hills. The people, the market participants that have been trading, selling the stock short using safe harbors and all sort of means, all of them are finding means to pay back and all that stuff. So as I pointed out earlier on, option traders are pricing the move towards $1.5, and it didn't reach 1.5 in this regular session. There's a good chance maybe tomorrow that may happen or may not happen. This is the 1 minute live chart, and yesterday we projected moves towards 1.29. that was easily exceeded. 1.29, that was easily exceeded. So right now you can see the algos just immediately changed. Now we have a projection of 1.47. this is the highs of this session, 1.47. okay, and then below that we have 1.44. below that we have 1.43. below that we have 1.42, all the way down towards 1.36. that's a downward projection on its 1 minute live chart. So going to its daily chart, we have a projection of $2 or thereabout. We have $2. That's the one we can visibly see, 2.11. It's something that can be achieved. You can see this indicator here is the price action momentum. You can see that it kept on printing higher highs. It has been printing higher highs since I would say since the Thursday 25th of May. It has continued to print higher highs. This momentum, so this rally, that's why we're saying it's rallying within a longer term bearish trend. It's been rallying look at that, non-stop for the best part of since the 5th of June. It's just been rallying relentlessly. So how many sessions has that been? 5th of June is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 sessions non-stop of gains, non-challenging, I would say, even though it's a bit ambitious now. It's a 200 moving average. Okay, again, interestingly enough, this upper projection of 2.11 we have is just slightly below its 20-day 200 moving average, which is at $2.32. But in any case, this is what's going on right now. This is just an update to yesterday's video. It's also outperforming the S&P 500. A lot of things are happening. A lot of things are happening with Nikola stock, but you really have to be careful. Really have to be careful. This is the 8th straight session of gains. At some point, it's gonna cool off. At some point, it's gonna cool off. It's gonna cool off. Just just be really careful. Just know how you're playing it as well. It's really getting hot, and short sellers are covering and looking at how they are going to borrow more, and probably it's getting a lot difficult as well. Possibly, I don't have that figure at all, but the nature of what Nikola has brought is what looks like a broader market appeal. So, and we have a projection of 2.11. We'll continue to update you, see what you make of NKLA stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.